Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and my friends and my customers. Welcome to our today's live booth on YouTube. So today I'm the host, and I'm your old friend. My name is Vincent. Nice to meet you all here. And today we would like to introduce our garden lights and also with the Vega street light. And those products that I have mentioned before in our previous lives. But today I will also want to introduce them to you about it. So today, firstly, I will introduce our garden light bell, and later my colleague Phil will give you a presentation of the Vega series street lights. So now let's start. So firstly, this is the Bell. This is the Bell. Yes, Bell Products Garden Light, as you can see. Okay. As you can see from here, yes, this is the light, as you can see for your reference, which is very good. As you can see, yes, this garden light is a little bit different than others, because this Bell garden light can be hanged on a steel wire. So as you can see from some ancient streets or ancient some gardens, you may find them very popular. And this thing and the next thing I want to share with you is about the materials. It's very simple structure, as you can see here and there. Okay, there are two parts from the outside. The first part is the die-cast aluminum cover, as you can see, very strong, and with the powder coating on it, very clean and very neat. And also here, as you can see, this is the PC cover of the LEDs. So the IP and IK rating of this product is also very good. The IP rating of it is IP66, and the IK rating is IK09. So this is the kind of general knowledge of the garden light bell. You know what's funny? It's just like a bell hang in the temple or in the castle. So that's why the name of this product, the name is bell. So we named it. And next thing I want to share with you is our powder coating, good powder coating line. So firstly, I need to share with you about our typical color cards. Here you can see those 6 colors. They are all available in our factory. So if you want to choose the color from those, you don't have a kind of limits on the MOQ. So you can have one container products like this. And the next thing I want to share, it is about our powder coating line industry. So if you are very professional, deep in the lighting industry, you must know that the powder coating class, they varied from class 1 to class 5. And we will suggest our customers when the lights are installed next to some special areas. For example, the luminaires are installed next to the seaside. We will suggest our customers at least to take level 3 of the powder coating, because the strongly UV radiation and the very good powder coating material from Oxu and Dubound will entirely prevent the entry of the UV radiation or other corrosion or other thought corrosion, as you all know. So this kind of industry will extend our luminaires lifespan as well. So our warranty is kind of long compared to other competitors. Okay, so next thing I want to share is about our LED chips. LED chips. Okay, so this is the LED chips, right? And PCBs and LED chips, which are very, very clean and clear, right? So we usually use some common and famous LED chips across the world. The chips are commonly from some Seoul, Cree, and Osran, those very famous brands. So you might find those suppliers across the world. So it's a very good way to update or for the fixing the problems after the luminaires are expiring the warranty. And you know, as we all know, the PCBs, yes, the LEDs on the PCBs, right? The LEDs are very afraid of the heat. So on the back of the PCB, we will have kind of very special treatment on it. We will use a heat dissipation. It's dissipation material. This is made by the silicon. So it's a very good way to drive the heat on the back of the PCB, okay? And then the silicone will drive the heat on the luminaire's cover. And the luminaire's cover is connected to the air. So by the wind or by the air flotation, the heat will dissipate very, very quickly. So it's a way to ensure that the LEDs, they are working in a very good performance and with the very high lumens. Okay, so this is the third thing I want to share with you. Okay, and the fourth thing I want to share is nothing about our products. It's about our service in our company. So we are very, very paying attention to on our service for especially for our after-sale service. So basically, we will provide a warranty to our customers. Those warranties, they are based on the components of the certain products. For example, let me take a bell for example, okay? So the bell LED chips, the drivers, and the lens, their warranty will be, for example, 5 to 7 years. So we will provide our customers for warranty for 5 years. So during the 5 years, if the luminaires are broken or some components just get some problems, we will just provide those components directly to you for free. Okay, and you just call your workers to update it and fix it on the light. And the other circumstances is if the warranty, if the light is expired the warranty, so those components are very, very easily to find in the market. So our customers can buy those components by themselves in their market, or just my customer just contact me easily on the email or on the WhatsApp to let me know your need and wants, and I will arrange some special other service for you. For example, to contact a supplier in the certain market you can get it into in a very very suitable and lower price. So you might use the very very good product and the components, but with the very very reasonable price. So this is the service that I can do for you. And for the before sale, I also have kind of service. For example, we have a technical team in our factory. So if your technical teams are very very busy in doing other projects, so our technical team will help you to provide the service of road calculations according to the IES files. So it's this kind of service is for free. It's free, and it's okay that you don't purchase on us, but I can provide those kind of service for you to give you a very very suitable and happy and comfortable experience when you are working with us. So today, that's all for my today's sharing, and thank you very much. And next, let's welcome Phil to give a very very detailed introduction to the Vega street lights. Oh, one more thing, don't forget to visit our website down here, www.kanglight.com. You may find more information about our products, our projects, also our sales people's contact number and email address. If you have any questions or you want some information about our products, you can just send me the email and I will reply you as soon as possible. Now let's welcome Phil to give a very very detailed introduction to the Vega street lights. Let's welcome.
Hello everyone, this is Phil for this production, and in last week I attended Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition, and in there I brought Vega family, Vega 2 and Vega 3 to the fair, and the Vega family get many interested from our visitors. They are amazed by our details, such as surface and inside structure, etc. And so today I will introduce our details to our audience. So now you see is Vega 2 and Vega 1, and you can see the smooth in the fair. Many visitors are amazed by our surface treatment. They are very smooth and have a good feeling in the lighting industry, and I can tell you why we can make this excellent performance. Because we have our own fully automatic powder coating line, so our workers can avoid the harm from the powder coating. And in another hand, the equipment of coating line is they have a good performance in powder coating. So that's why make our Vega have a beautiful surface treatment. Okay. Now you can see here, they have a gradient. You see it? And what it is used for to level the installation degree of the street light. You know, every street light have a specific light distribution. So if the light installation direction have something wrong, then it will may cause problem to the drivers and the pedestrians. The roads will get the wrong light. Okay, now let's move to the next step. And you see here, you see here there is no any screws need you to remove. And in here we adopt toll-free technology. And now let me display to you. And you can see it's very easily to open it. You just use your hands and then the back seat is opened. You see here? And there's one more details. You see here, there is a bracket. And I guess you have been guessed its position, its function in the light. Yeah. It's a bracket for the back seat. And we all know that the light needs to maintenance after several years, and workers need to up to the pause and open the light. But when they open the light, the back seat need a good position for our workers to maintenance. And you can imagine that if I am the workers that maintenance the lighting, I can directly maintenance inside the components. In the help of the bracket, I can very easily to maintenance. Okay, that's one details, and we have many more details, such as gear tree. You can see here, there is a black gear tree, and it's a removable gear tree. You can remove 4 screws by screwdrivers, and then you can remove the drivers very easily. And in the PCBs, we adopt same measures, and you can move 4 screws, and then the PCB can removed very easily. At wires, we adopt double installation technology. It's all make sure the electricity safety. We all know electrical safety is very important to a light and workers too. So we adopt double installation technology in everywhere in the light. You see here, we adopt a bank slip. We adopt a wire slip clip. It's a white. It's a white slip, you see, and these wires are bonded together, so the wires won't be removed, and vibrations. And now I guess you have noticed this blue gasket, and this is why we can reach IP66 class, and it have best performance in prevent moisture and water or dust. And in another hand, our unique body design is also an important reason. The body can prevent the water and the dust, and but in this situation, they still may have some small dust and moisture to get into the inside. So we installed blue gaskets its function is to prevent moisture and small dust to get into the most inside the structure. And we all know the light is very, very important. So we adopt super white glass, but this super white glass is very, very tough, and you can see here the IK class can up to IK09, and if you want to see the test report, we also can provide for you. What's more, it's about the thickness of the tempered glass is 4 millimeters, and our body thickness can up to 2.1 millimeters. It's very thick when you touch it, and many visitors are very, very like our body structures. They are very strong. Okay, above is the details of the Vega family. If you want to know more details such as parameters or other informations of other lights such as Darcy, Kira, and Bell, and all the topaz, these 4 garden lighting is our best garden lighting. And if you want to other more street lighting, you can also contact me via visit our website www.kanglight.com. In there you can find my information and then email me. I will reply you in 24 hours. So now let's welcome Vincent have a final speech. Welcome.
Hello. Yes. Thank you for Phil's very, very perfect and very good and detailed introduction to our street light. And today we only have 2 people because Kyle just left for his dream for his dream, fighting for his dream. So now we only have two live hosts right now. But I hope next time, like next month, when we live on the Facebook, we will have 3 people as well. We have a new employees in our office. So that's all for today's show. I hope you will really, really enjoy it. And I will see you next time. So bye-bye.